Right, what I'm going to do now is show you the colour work that I use on the Ollie the Doll jacket. So basically what I've done here is I've done 4 rows of stocking stitch, knit a row, purl a row. So I'm now going to change colour. So all you do is put it in as though you're going to knit it, get your new colour, so you've got your end there, and then just wrap it round that needle, leaving a long end, and just keep hold of it, all right? So keep hold of that now, like that, and then go to knit your next stitch with the new colour. So it is quite loose there, but it will tighten up when you come to sewing up, all right? So just knit along. I'm on a knit row, so just continue to knit on. So we'll do a couple of rows and then we'll change the colour again. It just makes it easier and tidier, I think, rather than cutting each one. Each time you change the colour, it's just an easier way of doing it. So we've knit that row with the new colour, so we'll turn it over and we'll do a purl row in that colour. So as easy as that. So can you see how as well the colour is at the back there, because I changed the colour on a knit row, so it will show on the back. So straight across in the grey. So what will happen now, I'll show you the colour and how it looks. So at the end there, that's quite loose as you can see, but just pull it down like that and it just pulls it back. So what you're going to do now is, because you've already got the blue down there, because you've not cut it off, I'm going to change colour, but leave the blue at the back and just carry on. As easy as that. So that's your changing colour. So when you keep it, because if you're doing a striping system, it's a lot easier to do it that way, and there's not many rows in between, rather than cutting each time, which I don't think it looks as tidy. People have their own methods of doing it, but this is my method of doing changing colour for smaller items anyway. So we'll go back now. So we're just going to purl this row across there. So you've got 2 balls on it to go at a time, but you're not cutting all the time and tying knots all the time. It just makes it a lot tidier, a lot neater, and when you come to sewing up, it's a lot tidier as well. So right, so we've gone right across with the other colour again, and then what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you again how to change the colour. So because you've got the grey already there, yeah, behind, and if that seems loose, just pull them like that. It's fine, absolutely fine. But how much better is that? So now I'm going to go back to grey. So I'll get my grey from underneath there, wrap it round and just go across. As easy as that. So that is a method of how to change colour without having to cut it, and you're keeping your 2 balls on the go at a time. It just makes it easier. It makes it neater, in my opinion. It's just a lot better, and especially for beginners, it's just making it a lot easier. So then basically all it is, can you see? So your yarn is always there, look, at that side. So as easy as that, and that's your colour work.